Hi, my name is Jennifer Newberry with Illinois Extension in Franklin County, and I'm with the SNAP Education Program, and I'm going to share a recipe with you today, and it's something that you can make with your family, and I hope you enjoy it.
Before we start any recipe, we want to make sure that we wash our hands really well for about 20 to 30 seconds. For the chicken, we used 1 can of the chicken breast, and so what we did was we went ahead and drained the chicken and then rinsed it with water. We put 2 cups of vegetables in just a little bit of water, and we microwaved those just to pre-cook them just a little bit, and we microwaved them for 3 minutes. Now, to make the soup, what we're going to do is we're going to add the chicken to the medium-sized pot, and then we're going to add the pre-cooked vegetables, and then after we add the vegetables, we're going to add the tomato basil soup, and that's going to be kind of the stock of the soup. So we're going to add that, and then we are also going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano and 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're going to mix all of that up, and we're going to bring it to about a medium simmer, and then our soup will be ready to eat.
This is our quick tomato vegetable soup, and it was super easy.